Yes, guys, what is weighted and unweighted in Tubebuddy? Let's go. So, guys, I'm going to show you very quickly. I've just opened up Explorer. Sorry, I should have started from the beginning. So I'll click Tubebuddy logo in the corner, go to keyword Launch Explorer. So, guys, I'm going to show you very quickly what weighted and unweighted actually means. So I'm going to just say like how to rank YouTube video, right? Just as a sort of title maybe that I wanted to do. Just to let you know, these are all the kind of popular like searches. You can see it comes up when I just type it in. But I'm gonna click explore very quickly. Now it brings my dashboard up and it tells me the overall score, as you know. Guys, I've got loads of videos on this. Check out my playlist on how to rank and other things. So check it out later on if you get a chance. But literally, look, I've just typed in this title keywords and it tells me I'm not surprised that it's a poor one because there's a lot of competition, I can imagine. So competition is poor. Search volume is fair. I mean, look at the monthly searches, video search results, how to rank YouTube video quickly. But yeah, anyway, so let's look at weighted. So weighted and unweighted, literally, it tells you here. So it says unweighted, general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume competition. Weighted is how good this keyword is to target for your specific channel. Now, obviously, your channel, you know, when you load up TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy will be able to see and assess what your channel is like, how big it is, what it's about, and so on. And what it does is, in terms of the weighted, it will assess how good this keyword would help you rank. Now, so and you can see like in the corner in the logo, they'll have your logo on there. So they've assessed now that this keyword, or should I say these words, is going to be quite poor for me to do, and it's weighted against my channel. Now, if I click unweighted, unweighted just means that it's not based on your channel. It just means like it's an overall score on how the keywords are in general, right? Very general. So you're able to see how it weighted, how it works according to your channel, how it would perform, should I say, according to your channel, and then unweighted as a general sort of performance. Now, the other thing that you could do to increase the performance is to use the suggestions, to click on the suggestions. So there are related searches. So if I go back to weighted, obviously there is other things like how to rank YouTube videos on first page, which may be better. But let me just click on that very quickly and then see what that comes up with, because that's more words. And usually when there are more words to add, it may be better. But look, this search volume is absolutely excellent. It's amazing, right? But the competition is too much because I'm weighted against other people. Optimization strength is good. So actually, overall, it's not good for me, this one. Now, if we look at unweighted, because it's a general thing, then that would have been a good words to use, right? But what's relevant to me is what I need to check for my channel. So weighted in this respect is good. And this is what I like about TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy actually gives you like an idea about how it works for your specific channel. And I think that's so important. I think that's something that you know can be missing in other softwares. Um, but this works really well for us, for me, for TubeBuddy. This is, and hence why I use TubeBuddy. And like I said, if you want to try it out, look at my free trial in the description. You can try it out for free, see what it's like, see if you like it. I mean, I've got TubeBuddy and I've also got vidIQ. I think they're both excellent and they both are slightly different. That's why I subscribe to both. So yeah, you can check out my vidIQ videos as well as the TubeBuddy ones. But yeah, that's exactly how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and check out my playlist, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.